Good evening, and thank you for viewing this weekly update. As you likely already know, after reviewing the COVID-19 data for our community, we learned that the transmission of the virus continues to be problematic. After consulting with our local medical professionals from both the health department and Piedmont Newton Hospital, the decision was made to continue remote learning for an additional 4 days. It is my hope that we'll see a reduction in our community transmission over the next week. It's important to note that while we wish to expedite the return of students who are served in person, ensuring we respond to the staffing needs related to their return is essential. Throughout the school system, many of our staff members have been impacted by this virus. Next week, January 19th through January 22nd, students will utilize either virtual learning, pre-developed assignments, or a combination of both. Don't forget, our schools and district will be closed on Monday, January 18th, in honor of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. It is our hope that the numbers will decrease over the next 7 days and allow for in-person students to return on Monday, January 25th. We'll monitor the data closely and report our status for the following week on Wednesday, January 20th at 7 p.m. through School Messenger. As I stated previously, this short-term weekly approach is in response to the increasing transmission of the virus in our schools and community. We do not have plans to revert to an all-remote learning environment indefinitely. I firmly believe that in-person instruction is the most beneficial model for our students, but the health and safety of our students and staff must always be the #1 priority. Please know that we are all ready to get back to normal as quickly as possible. I recognize and understand the hardships that you may be facing at this time. Please know that I appreciate your cooperation and your patience as we work through this challenging situation together. And working together is exactly what we must do to ensure that students are able to report to school for in-person learning and that they will not experience continued disruption caused by the transmission of this highly contagious virus. We will only reduce the spread of COVID-19 by practicing the 3 W's. Watch your distance, wash your hands, and wear a mask. And please, if you are not feeling well, it is incredibly important that you stay home. Thank you again for your continued support, and be sure to practice those 3 W's. Until next week, stay safe and healthy.